Hello everyone, if you're trying to play ARMR0004 and you keep getting this error matchmaking has failed, please try again in a little while with the error code ARMR0004, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to fix this annoying error on your computer easily. So first up, what you're going to do is you're going to open up your start menu, you're going to write here view network connections. You're going to right click on network connection. If you're on an Ethernet connection, it should say Ethernet. If you're on a wireless connection, it should say WLAN. So you're going to right click on network connection, go into properties. And here what you're going to do is first you're going to go into Internet Protocol version 4. You're going to go into properties, going to use the following DNS server addresses right here 1.1.1.1, and in the alternate DNS you're going to write here 1.0.0.1. Click OK, and then you're going to scroll down here. You're going to uncheck Internet Protocol version 4 and then click OK here. And after that, you're going to go ahead and disable your network device, wait for 15 to 20 seconds. And after that, you're going to go ahead and enable your network device and then wait for it to be connected to the internet. And once it's connected, now you can go ahead and play ARMR0004 and you will not get that error anymore. So this guys, that's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you in my next video. Peace.